Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Sugo Tradizionale Italiana, which is traditional Sunday meat sauce. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. I'm going to begin to make my pork bresaola. The meat is still sauteing, and I'm going to begin to add the beef bresaola first because they take the longest. Start in the chest, and then we'll add the pork at a later time. The wine is cooked down nicely, so I'm going to add my sauce. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.